Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to edit video in CapCut app. So basically, in your CapCut application on your phone, you can just go ahead and start your new project. And here you're going to see the background, or you're going to see the video that you can add by clicking the plus button right here, and you can add the video to your screen. And you can also add the overlay if you want to add another video or photo to your video, just to help understand the demonstration and make it easier. And you can use it like any other video editing app. You can use the video to to make it short or make it long. You can expand or just make it longer, whatever it might be, right? And you can start adding animations if you want to add like entrance or outro kind of a animation. You can just go ahead and do it. And here you're gonna see the speed. You can use the normal to speed it up or slow it down. And you can see here you can see the split, which is the part that if you want to cut the part that you don't want to add to the video, you can just go ahead and start right here by splitting and move to the part that you want to actually get to, hit split, and then choose the part between the first video and the last video that you actually want to merge together. Just go ahead and hit delete on the unnecessary footage, right? And you can see right here effects, and you can see you can add another video effects that might help your video to look a little bit better, like a professional video editing. So you can just do that on your own time. And here you're gonna see the volume. You can just up the volume, or adjust the volume to lower it or higher, make it higher. And here you're gonna see the transform. You can also resize, and basically you can rotate, and you can resize the video to make it to make it smaller or bigger. If you want it to be for TikTok or Instagram, they have different ratios. You can see right here already a ratio for social media, right? So basically it's more like any other general video editing. All the basics will be there, or it's already there, and you can start using them and play around to know how exactly pull it off and make a professional video editing. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.